Hello, this is Eric at the Prince Sherwood Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2019 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 3.3-liter V6 engine, providing you with decent power, coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and recently detailed so it's nice and clean. But let's take a look inside. So first, looking into the back, where you have your rear doors that fold all the way back to be in line with the bed of the truck, giving you easy access to the back seat, where you have seating for three comfortably that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. Then in the middle you have two fold-out cup holders, a 12-volt power outlet, and two USBs. And looking into the front, you have a remote start, so you can avoid going outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at only 23,698 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls. And on the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your digital speedometer, your trip odometer, your trip timer, distance to empty, and your fuel economy for said trip, and you have that for 1 and 2. Then you have your fuel economy separately, your driver assistance features, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Above that, you have your traction control shut off, your hazards, and your auto start stop shut off. Moving down from that, you have your media controls and then your climate controls. Very simple, easy to use. To the left, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential, and on the right, you have a 12-volt power outlet. Then moving down, you have another 12-volt with two USBs and a little shelf here where you can put your device while it's charging. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your drive mode selector at the end of the stock for normal, tow haul, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience a little bit. Moving on to your center console area, where you have two cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is relatively spacious, but then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. Then underneath that, you have another compartment with more storage, and you do have these cup holders here, which can be flipped inside if you want them out of the way, but you can have some drinks while this seat is folded up, or 4 in total if you're feeling wild. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now, if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.